Today, we're making a stunning butterfly hairball using ribbon in multiple colors. Let's start. We will be using Grosgrain ribbon in 3.8 centimeters wide. We will heat seal the ends. Grab our 13 cm size ribbon. Join the two ribbons together with a pin. We will do our folding technique, so watch closely. Then we will do the same thing to the other side. Secure the shape with a pin. Grab our other two ribbons. Join the two ribbons with a pin. We will do a simple fold for this one. Secure the shape with a pin. Grab our 22 cm long ribbon. Fold to mark the center. We will do another folding technique, so watch closely. Secure the shape with a pin. Then grab our 21 cm long ribbon. Fold to mark the middle. Just a simple fold for this one. We will do stitching, so grab your needle and thread. Gently pull the thread to gather the ribbon. Wrap the thread to secure the shape. We will glue the two bows together. We will attach the centerpiece. Now we will attach the hair clip. There, our beautiful butterfly hair bow is finished. I hope you like this bow tutorial. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you and see you again next time.